Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I feel like it's been a minute since I did a dedicated cooking video sharing easy, yummy recipes with you guys. So I thought spring is the perfect time to start bringing back that cooking series. In this video, I want to share one easy spring-inspired nutritious recipe a day with you guys. Also, just to be clear, you will never see a bland chicken on this channel. I'm sorry, but I'm here for a sustainable, yummy diet and absolutely not for an extreme, boring, flavorless diet. Okay, so for today, I'm thinking of making a miso crunch salad with baked salmon. I think that's perfect for today's weather. I'm actually really hot right now. Something with the weather in New York, it skipped from being freezing cold to summer. I also just want to give you guys a quick little update. Wedding planning has been slow. We're not at that stressful stage yet, which I'm really glad. But also summer is right around the corner. So I really want to be fit, strong, not just look, but also feel good with my body. So I feel like having a good workout routine isn't enough. If I want to get there, I need to really clean out my diet, not in like a crazy cutting out everything kind of way, but more so I want to be more aware of what I eat, what I consume every day. So I've been trying this app. It's called Lose It. If you haven't heard of it, it's basically a food tracking app that helps keep track of what I eat, basically. I've tried a few different apps now, and I think Lose It really stands out for me just because of the simplicity of the app. It makes it very user-friendly, which helps me a lot. I'm not an expert in nutrition or fitness, anything like that at all, but this app breaks it down very easy for me to understand what I consume. I know how much protein I eat, if I eat enough protein, if I need more protein. It helps me keep track of all the macros, because I can make a salad with salmon and call it healthy, but do I really know how much healthy is healthy for me? Like, am I eating enough protein? Or if I'm eating way more than I thought, even though it's healthy, it doesn't mean eating a lot of it is good for you. So now when I'm cooking, I'll just log things as I go. Sometimes use voice logging or just snap a photo. It's actually really quick, like 30 seconds. It sets up a calorie budget for you based on your goal. And with premium, I can actually see my protein, carbs, fat. So I know meals like this are actually doing what I want them to do. Oh, and you can shift the calories across the week. I think this is such a cool feature with Lose It, with this app, that other apps don't allow me to do. That you can shift things around, because honestly, life is not perfect. Sometimes not all 7 days can be the same. Let's say Alec and I want to go out this weekend, so then I'll just keep things lighter during the week and then still go out and have a bigger dinner on weekends. It just feels realistic with this app, which I love. And that's why I've been consistent with using this app, honestly. I just feel like I finally have a better handle of what I'm doing instead of just guessing. Anyway, I've been really enjoying this app, so I thought I should share it with you guys, just in case if you're also in a little spring reset mode, getting ready for summer or attending a wedding or vacation, whatever you want to look good for your vacation.
Yes!
We're on the same boat. Let me know if you give it a try. I'll link the Lose It app below in the description box for you guys. Anyway, I'll stop yapping so we can go make some miso crunch salad with baked salmon. We made it. Got miso crunchy salad and baked salmon. A bite of everything. Kale, cucumber, crispy rice paper, salmon. Refreshing on a hot day. This is not a matcha latte. I technically made a matcha cappuccino with not a lot of milk because I really need a little extra caffeine boost today because I have a lot to do. Anyway, starting today, Monday, I want to make creamy green rigatoni. Who doesn't love a good pasta? But I'm going to make it with a blend of superfood ingredients just to make it healthier since we're already eating pasta. I feel like it's a fresh spring dish and it comes together way easier than you think. So let's get to it. Okay, you can use either kale or spinach. I have kale, so I'm gonna use kale. You just kind of remove all the leaves from the stem and then blanch it in boiling water until the color of the kale turns slightly a brighter green. You can do 2 small garlic cloves or 1 big one, olive oil. I love grazza. And then we're going to add some silken tofu. I'm doing 1 block. I'm going to use this beautiful plate that I just got from a ceramic store. They sell a lot of like Japanese imported goods. This one was handmade in Japan. It was so gorgeous. It smells so good. It's so creamy and fresh. The lemon came through so nicely. That is yummy. Bye bye. Another day, another spring recipe I want to show you guys. I'm making a super easy mushroom rice using a blend of red and brown rice, plus a mix of mushroom sauté, and then just thrown into the rice cooker and let it do its thing. That's literally it. It's simple but so good. I have made this in some vlogs of mine before, but it's just like a good staple on a busy day. Like today, I have actually a long list of things to do. So let's get to it. I have a few different types of mushroom here. You don't have to get the same thing, but the idea is just like a mix of different mushroom. Just any type of like mushroom you like. I have some oyster mushroom, brown beach mushroom, some white beach mushroom, some yellow oyster mushroom. This is whole grain red and brown blend jasmine rice. I really recommend this brand, Three Ladies. If you grow up in an Asian household, you know this brand is a staple. So first I'm going to saute the mushroom and then add the saute mushroom into the rice cooker. Add some olive oil. Some white pepper. This one cooks really fast, so I wanted to do it last. And just a little bit of soy sauce. It's just a really quick saute. I'm going to season the rice with some jinsu soy sauce with garlic and chili. I grew up eating this. Some pepper. Then you want to give it a good stir before adding the mushroom. Then adding the mushroom in. Mushroom rice.
Oh my god, so good. Wait, what? That's so flavorful.
I did not pay him to say all that. Soft boiled egg. That's really good egg. Egg and mushroom and rice.
I wish you guys could try this, but if you did, that's less for me, so too bad.
Okay. Bye. Hey guys, I wasn't going to cook today. I was so tempted to order, but we said we're going to cook one recipe a day, so we're going to do that. Jackson's veggie straws. Got this giant bag from Costco. So yummy. I think I'm gonna make something very quick and easy today. Soba noodle sounds kind of good, so I might do that. Well, I'll do that. It's pretty easy. I'm just going to slice some cucumbers to go with my soba noodle bowl. I'm also making some onsen tamago eggs to go with my soba noodle. I love this egg cooker so much. It's really so cheap. I think I got it for like $15 or $20, and it's one of the best kitchen investments. So good. It has like different levels, different options that you can choose from. You can do soft boil, onsen tamago, hard boil, steam eggs, just like regular steam eggs. tea egg, and you can also make yogurt with this. Pretty nice. This is the Soba noodle brand I use. I'm also gonna air fry some fish balls and shrimp balls. I also got these fried, like pre-fried mini tofu. Eat, I'm hungry. Fish tofu, shrimp ball, and shrimp something. Fish cake, fish balls. Yep. A bite of fried tofu. So good. Look at that jammy egg. So perfect for a hot day. Cucumber. And for the last recipe of this cooking series, we're going to make some crispy, juicy pineapple pork belly. I'm going to season the meat with some olive oil, soy sauce, some oyster sauce, some red onion, add some red pepper, chinsu. This is optional, but I also like to add a little bit of the crunchy chili onion. Give it a good mix. This sauce, I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. Literally my mouth is like watering from just the smell. Okay, now we're going to put the pork belly into the air fryer. But first, you want to layer pineapple under the pork belly. Pickled ginger, pickled radish. Look at that crispy, juicy pineapple pork belly. Then we're gonna wrap it in these butter lettuce with these side dishes and dip it in the sauce. Let's eat.
This looks crazy good.
So excited to eat.
Whoa. Did you show the people this? This is...
Yes, the
this
people.
looks delicious.
The people gotta look at it. Okay.
Oh my lord.
Okay. Piece of lettuce. Okay. No. Cucumber. Some pickled radish. Some ginger. Beautiful. The perfect bite.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my god.
That's so good.
What?
Whoa. This might have been one of the best dishes I've made for us.
Oh my lord. This is like savory, but also like sweet. Or not sweet, but like
And fresh.
light, fresh, yeah.
Yeah. That's so good.
That's amazing.
Bye. You know.